Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And I don't know if you've noticed, but Microsoft has been rather quiet on AI in the last month. We haven't heard much. We haven't heard much about a recall at all. And one thing that Microsoft has said is that they will be working on Copilot to actually make it better based on user feedback and do things that user feedback is telling them to do, which is, I think, a very wise decision, as the Copilot right now is kind of not really going in any direction. Doesn't seem to be doing that great. I know some people use it. There are things that probably are very cool to use and are very helpful. And some people do have that. But for the most part, nobody's really using it in any way, both in Windows or in, Edge or in any browser. Now, one of the things that's being talked about also is a security researcher says that, and it's this guy was a security researcher for Microsoft in the past, and he says he's found many ways to actually break Copilot and have it return back tons of sensitive information for hackers. So definitely, I think there is a halt on the part of Microsoft on AI right now. They're kind of assessing how it works. They're probably looking at how popular it is, which is probably not a lot. And they are, I think, focusing on what users want for a simple reason. If you don't give the user what they want as features for Copilot, like anything else, you won't have users, getting into Copilot and using it in any way. So very interesting to see that there's been a very, very quiet moment suddenly on the part of AI with Microsoft. And where's recall? Where's recall? We don't hear about it anymore. And so this is going to be interesting to see. Maybe this fall, new things are going to come out. But right now, the only people that we're hearing talking about AI is Google, which, of course, did a demo that crashed. So, I don't know. We'll see what happens next. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.